Hey fellas, J-Mick. I don't know if you remember, a week ago or so I put up a video about Mother Goose. I just wanted to show people the reality of nature, what really happens out here, not the Disney movie kind of stuff. Been walking by her for days. She's been fine, laying on the nest, and came by today. And what I found over here. That's not good. Poor Mother Goose nest got raided. Everything's gone. Eggs are broken. Another egg over here. That's it. That's what happens in the real world. The goose got started early, so I imagine she'll probably be already working on another nest somewhere else. Well, I don't know. I don't see any tracks around here what it did it. I thought maybe a coon, the way the egg was over there, but bird tracks. No, maybe it was a mink. Maybe it was an otter. More than likely coons, though, I would say. I did see some fresh coyote tracks up on the other dam. I don't see any down here, though. But yeah, reality.